Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to block websites on Xiaomi Redmi 9A. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search, and you can install basically any antivirus. But today I'm going to show you all how this thing works on AVG. So let's install it. Once your installation has succeeded, you can open the app. Right, we can now open the app. Now tap on get started. Close it, close it, close it, close it. Skip everything, skip for now. Continue with ads. Now tap on explore, web shield, switch on. Now you don't even have to switch it on. Let's just tap on open settings. Got it. Now tap on downloaded services, AVG antivirus, accessibility, allow, go back. Now go back into web shield, allow. Now go into block or allow any website, block, add a website, type in the URL of the website, tap on add website. Now if I would like to search for it, it's going to give me a warning that it is blocked. So let's go ahead and search website app. And as you can see, blocked website detected. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.